Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about how a tax processing workstation works in an easy step-by-step way. A tax processing workstation is a computer-based setup used to prepare, review, calculate, and file tax returns. It combines tax software, document storage, input tools, scanners, calculators, databases, security systems, and internet filing connections to make tax preparation faster, more organized, and more accurate. First, tax data is collected. The user gathers income records, invoices, payroll data, receipts, deductions, expense records, and tax documents. This step is important because the tax return must be based on complete and correct financial information. Next, the information is entered into the workstation software. The operator inputs taxpayer details, income figures, deductions, credits, withholding amounts, and supporting document data. In some cases, documents can also be scanned and uploaded directly into the system. After that, the records are organized into proper categories. The system sorts the data into income, expenses, deductions, assets, receipts, tax forms, and other tax sections. This helps the user find information easily and keeps the tax file structured. Then, the software processes the calculations. It calculates totals, taxable income, credits, withholding, refund amount, balance due, and estimated tax liability. Since the system performs these calculations automatically, it reduces manual errors and saves time. Next, tax rules are applied. The workstation uses built-in tax rates, validation checks, filing rules, and compliance requirements to check whether the return follows the correct tax process. This helps ensure that the return is prepared according to the required rules. After that, the return is reviewed carefully. The user checks the entered information, reviews warnings, confirms missing items, and looks for unusual figures or possible mistakes. This review step is very important before final submission because it helps avoid errors and delays. Then, the tax forms are generated. The system prepares completed tax forms, summaries, schedules, and supporting reports based on the processed information. These forms make the final return ready for filing, printing, or saving. Finally, the return is filed or saved. The completed tax return can be submitted electronically, saved securely, printed for records, or archived for future reference. Security and backup systems help protect the tax data and keep the documents available when needed. Inside the tax processing workstation, several parts work together. These include the computer and monitor, tax software, keyboard and input tools, document scanner, calculator, database or storage system, security and backup tools, and internet or e-filing connection. Together, these components help manage the full tax preparation workflow. Therefore, a tax processing workstation is useful because it supports faster tax preparation, better accuracy, organized records, and secure filing and storage. It helps accountants, tax preparers, businesses, and individuals handle tax documents more efficiently and confidently. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.